So I'm out here in the old garage where there's tons and tons of flea market and auction items and everything. And I had spied this plywood, and there's some more over here for a shelf project. And I ran across something you just don't see. So I'm starting to pull out the plywood, and sorry, it's dark in here. And I notice there's a puzzle. And there's a puzzle. Every one of these is a puzzle. Sorry, I know it's dark. Every one of these is a puzzle that someone years ago spent a bunch of time and effort putting together. I've counted at least 20.